Less than tittle greater than 1MBABYDOGEUSDT consolidation or breakout next? Key levels in focus. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. The current price of 1MBABYDOGEUSDT stands at $0.00436, hovering just above the 200-hour moving average of $0.00434. Over the past week, the coin has exhibited volatility, with a sharp surge to a high of $0.00487 before retracing. The 20-hour and 50-hour moving averages, at $0.00441 and $0.00445 respectively, suggest near-term resistance around these levels. Volume trends are crucial here. During the recent spike, trading volume surged by over 120%, peaking at 68.9 million. Since then, volume has declined but remains above the weekly average, signaling sustained investor interest. If volume rises again, we could see a retest of the $0.00487 peak. Otherwise, a drop toward the 200-hour MA is likely. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The current RSI for 1MBABYDOGEUSDT is 51.52, indicating neutral momentum. Historically, the RSI has acted as a reliable predictor for price movement. For instance, when RSI last hovered around 50 in early December, the price consolidated before rallying by 15%. A move above 70 would indicate overbought conditions, while a drop below 30 would reflect oversold sentiment. Investors should monitor RSI closely for potential bullish confirmation or bearish divergence. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator for 1MBABYDOGEUSDT currently sits at 68.53, approaching overbought territory but not yet signaling exhaustion. Previously, when stochastic values surpassed 70, the price experienced slight pullbacks, such as the retracement on December 10 from $0.00477 to $0.00435. A confirmed crossover above 80 would increase the risk of reversal, while support around 50 could signal continued upward momentum. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD line is currently at -0.0000268, while the signal line is at -0.0000350, suggesting weak bearish momentum. The histogram reflects narrowing divergence, indicating a possible shift in trend. A crossover of the MACD above the signal line would mark bullish momentum, as seen in the early December breakout when MACD turned positive, triggering a price increase from $0.00425 to $0.00487. Investors should remain vigilant for a reversal signal. Bollinger Bands analysis. The price of 1MBABYDOGEUSDT is currently positioned near the middle band of the Bollinger Bands at $0.00434, with the upper band at $0.00446 and the lower band at $0.00422. The recent price squeeze indicates reduced volatility, however, a breakout could be imminent. Historically, breakouts above the upper band have resulted in sharp moves, as seen on December 10 when the price spiked by 10%. A sustained move outside the bands could trigger increased price volatility. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Key Fibonacci levels provide significant price zones for 1MBABYDOGEUSDT. The price currently sits near the 38.2% retracement level at $0.00477. With the 50.0% level at $0.00427 acting as immediate support. A break below this level could push the price toward the 61.8% retracement at $0.00378. Conversely, resistance remains strong at the 23.6% level of $0.00538, which aligns with previous price peaks. Daily candlestick chart and volume. 1-year analysis. Over the past year, 1MBABYDOGEUSDT has experienced a significant uptrend, with a major low of $0.00218 in mid-July and a peak of $0.00637 in early December. Average trading volume during this uptrend increased by over 150%, indicating heightened investor participation. Recent pullbacks have stabilized around the 50-day moving average at $0.00427, which aligns with Fibonacci support. A break above the yearly high of $0.00637 would confirm long-term bullish continuation. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. The 3-year analysis shows 1MBABYDOGEUSDT establishing strong support around $0.00218, while resistance has been evident near $0.00637. Long-term volume has grown steadily, peaking in Q4 2023 with significant breakouts. Price consolidations following volume spikes have historically led to continuation patterns, suggesting the potential for further upside. Key levels to watch are the support at $0.00427 and resistance at $0.00538. Less than comprehensive analysis. The overall analysis of 1MBABYDOGEUSDT reveals a coin in a critical consolidation phase. Short-term indicators, such as the MACD and stochastic oscillator, reflect potential for a trend reversal, while the RSI remains neutral. The price's proximity to key Fibonacci and Bollinger Band levels at $0.00427 and $0.00477 signals immediate support and resistance. In the medium term, a breakout above $0.00487 could trigger bullish momentum towards $0.00538 and beyond, while failure to hold support at $0.00427 may lead to a test of $0.00378. Long-term trends, supported by growing volume and historical support at $0.00218, suggest that 1MBABYDOGEUSDT remains poised for growth pending increased investor confidence and broader market participation. Investors should monitor volume surges, RSI direction, and MACD crossovers closely to identify actionable signals. The key question remains: will 1MBABYDOGEUSDT break above resistance or retrace toward support?